Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have an unboxing of 2 boxes of stuff. I have got, this is new stuff that is going to be available in the May to August catalogue. So this is new. It's new to me, it's new stuff, and it's not everything in the catalogue. There are still some things that I would like to get. Glimmer pens, please, thank you. But this is the stuff that I was able to get. And actually I placed this order and then there was some stuff that was out of stock, and then a few days later more stuff came into stock. So I'm going to do the smaller box first. So as I said, this is all available in the beginning of May, and I don't remember what day in May it is, but it's sometime in May. I want to say the 3rd, but I think that might be wrong. It might be the 4th. So I have got a bundle here. This is called All Aflutter with the matching butterfly punch, which I'm so excited for. I can't wait to play with that. This punch here, it is called Rounded Rectangle. It does go with the stamp set, but I didn't want the stamp set. I just wanted this. Oh, look, you can see me. Hello. Yeah, I just wanted the punch, so I've got that. And then these are from the online exclusives that are going to be going live in May. So it's stamps and dies, which I can't wait for. So I have those, and then actually the online exclusive stuff wasn't out of stock. It was just I forgot to order it because, you know, rubbish. Okay, I'm a paper girl, so I have got loads of papers. So I'm going to put those off to one side. And I have my new catalogue. Let me tell you when it goes live. Does it say? It just says May to August, so maybe it's the 1st of May. So that's my copy of the catalogue. I have got all of the catalogues in now. I just need to process them. Right, I'm going to come to those papers in a second. So, look, I'm going to have to get all this onto my desk, and then I can move it all off my desk. Just double check. Okay, so white gel pens. I like to write in a black notepad, so I'm very pleased about those. There's 2 white gel pens, so those are brand new to us. Dewdrops embellishments. I like them when they're like that. I cleared out all my embellishments the other day, and in my toast rack. This is all I've got left. Well, actually, no, there's still loads left. That's just in the last chance. And shimmering dots. They're very sweet. They've got like little sparkly bits, which you can probably see up here better. And then I have these. These are so pretty. These are in colour butterflies. And these are our 5 new in colours. And our 5 new in colours are... Okay, I've got the new ones. Crisp Cantaloupe, which is a returning colour, but it's slightly different. Golden Glow. We also have Barely Blush, which is very pale. I look at that in comparison to Bubble Bath. Very pale. We also have Peaceful Pine, which is beautiful, and then Hydrangea Hue. So those are our 5 in colours, which are very nice. And if you haven't seen my video before, they are magnetic, so these are all sticking to one another, even with the plastic. And literally you open like that. Fabulous. And then you can stack them like that, so your lid is always underneath. But yeah, and then like I say, they stack to one another with they're all picked up. Yeah, so those are the in colours, so those match those. Right, we've got Flowering Meadow, and I don't know, let me see if I can compare the dies. Opulent Oasis, that one has those dies with it. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Then we've got Words and Wishes that goes with that one. I thought that was just really cute. We have so many birthdays in our house. Because there's lots of us. There's 6 in our family. We've got 2 girlfriends now, so that makes 8. My parents, that's 10. Add in, I've got 2 brothers and their spouses and all their children. There's loads. There's millions. And yeah, a couple of my nephews. One is married. and has his own children. Another one is getting married soon. Yeah, so there's lots. So we have lots of birthdays. More embellishments. These are called Dreamy Flowers, and they are detailed. I don't know if you can see the detail, possibly on here. Very lovely. Right, so these are garden gatherings. Those go with those. Aren't they cute? Look at those flowers, so pretty. These are Flowering Meadow. They go with this one. So you can see those dies go with those flowers. Scalloped Blooms go with this one. I wanted to layer these. I can see myself making lots of layering for those. And then Lily of the Valley has got those dies. There we go. I got them all. Yay! So yeah, lots there for me to work with. Oliver has just had a look at this. He does some work for me. He starts pulling out details of information, and he absolutely loved, oh, I don't remember what the paper set was called, but it was like the Aurora Borealis. He absolutely loved that and made me buy lots of it. And he spotted this in our online store during pre-order, and he said, oh, Mum, I hope you've got that. And I said, yes, it's on the way. So he wanted to have a look at it. It's just gorgeous, and I will show you one of the sheets in detail. So we've got patterning on one side and then plainer on the other side, but can you see the shimmer? You can probably see it in this section. So we've got quite a lot of each pattern, and that would be the uppermost part, so that would be the sky, and that, you know, that would be the horizon line, so you're getting the reflection on water. And again on that one, and that would be that way around. So it's, yeah, it's called Scenic Coast. I don't live really by the sea anymore. I did when we lived in North Wales. Not anymore. I have got, I don't know why I only bought one pack of the in colour cardstock, because that was a bit daft, but we get 4 each of the 5 colours. Right, Luxe White Speciality Design Series paper. So I got this as part of a suite, and it's sort of, I don't really know how to, there you go. Hopefully you can see that. There's patterns there. I want to say this was part of the Lily of the Valley suite. And there's a pattern. I don't know if you can see it. This one you're probably seeing better, and then this sort of filigree design. So why can't you see that one very well? You can see it in the top right corner. There you go. It's a sort of a almost herringbone-ish style pattern. So there is that one. I'm going to put that off to one side. This is water. Oh look, I've got more embellishments. Ooh, this is exciting. In colour dots. So, oh, I've got an alarm going off. Okay, Waterside Retreat. Now this is the one that went with the Paper Pumpkin. Loads of you have signed up for Paper Pumpkin. Who knew it was so? It was going to. Well, I knew it was going to be really popular here. Waterside Retreat. I only have the paper pack of this. I didn't buy the stamps. I'm a real paper girl. I love papers, and I have a bicycle that looks like that, but in mint green. But I didn't feel that I could use the stamp set, but there is a stamp that will go with it. I love the seagulls. We have seagulls around here, although somebody reliably informed me all seagulls are gulls, but not all gulls are seagulls, or something like that. So, you know, we have landlocked seagulls as well. But yeah, so even though I haven't bought the other parts of the suite, there are stamps and dies. I need to put that over there. Artisan Sketched Garden. Ooh, this is very exciting for me, because actually this has been sat in my office for about a week and a half because of Easter holidays. Oops, some embellishments on the floor. Yes, so I think this is the one that is all black and white. Yeah, it's all black and white. So obviously you can do all the colouring in if you want to. So it's detailed on one side for colouring, and then white on black more so on the other side. But you know, you can still colour. Look at polka dots. Love that. Can't wait to put these on my shelves. This one is called Paper Medley. Okay, I'm just flinging stuff on the floor. So we've got plain and patterned. Patterned and plain. Ooh, look, darling little, I'm going to call those tulips. And plainer. Ooh, look, little ditzy floral. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. They're white and sort of blush pink flowers. Can you see the different colours? And then red dots in them. And plain, more polka dots and stripes. Fabulous. Lots of fun with that. Okay. Ooh, I don't want that to fall on the floor. Moonlight Flora. Ooh. Yes, it's very exciting. I don't remember what I ordered. I kind of tend to place the order and then walk away. Oh, I love this. Yes, yes, I know this one. Look, moths. So detailed and the plain. Just what a glorious colour collection. And I have a bit of a thing for flowers on black backgrounds. Years ago, I'm talking maybe 6-8 years ago, we had a whole paper pack in Celebration that was flowers on a black background. I must have got through, I don't know, 5 packs of that stuff. Just love it. So, and then all the ferns and stuff as well. I don't remember if I got the rest of that suite. Oh no, I think the rest of that suite's currently out of stock, or currently unavailable. Everyday Essentials Mix and Match. So this is going to go with the Mix and Match Ephemera, which I put somewhere. I don't know what I've done with it. Where did I put that? Oh, it's over to one side of me. So that's going to go with that. So that's Mix and Match Ephemera. So we've got all sorts of different styles of design. So not necessarily to suit one theme or suite. So just lots of different to go with the mix and match. Like I say, I got that on stage. We like spots, so that's fun. And this one is called Velvet Meadow, so this is a speciality paper as well. Ooh, and I can feel it. Oh, it's very velvety. Ooh, that's lovely. So that is these white bits here. Can you hear it? So they're velvety, and then you've got the plain background. And then we have a plain with, again, that white. It's not all of it, it's just the white section. And yeah, again, that white velvet on that bit, that's lovely. I'm quite liking the plainer backgrounds as well. And this is all very textured. That's lovely. Yeah, that's lovely. That's very nice. And then the last one is this one. Oh, it's so busy. I love it. That's really lovely. So that was Velvet something. What was that called? Velvet Meadow. Okay. And then we have Bloom Boutique. That is a speciality as well. So I don't know what makes this. Oh, there we go. What makes this the speciality? It's got gold on it. That's lovely. So we've got the plain with that. Oh, little teeny tiny flowers. That's so pretty. I don't remember which stamp set goes with that. That's just lovely. I'm hoping you can see, I'm not at all looking at my monitor, I'm just staring at the paper. Oh, little tiny gold bits. It's the gold dots are the foiled parts. Very lovely. Oh, I'm going to have fun with that. And nice soft colours as well. And then I think, oh no, this isn't the last one. This is the Pearlized Speciality paper in the In Colours. And hopefully, yeah, you can see that. We've got the pearlized finish. So that's going to be Golden Glow, Hydrangea Hue. What's that one called? Barely Blush? Peaceful Pine. No, that would be Crisp Cantaloupe, and that would be the Barely Blush. Is that the name of it? Yeah, Barely Blush. So those are the 5 colours, and yeah, pearlized paper. When I first got into crafting in the early 2000s, pearlescent paper was a big thing. And then it stopped being fashionable, and I'm pleased it is now in fashion. Oh, okay, this goes with Heirloom Boutique. This goes with, these are the stickers that went with one of those packs that's now buried. But I don't remember which one. Is it a recent one? Yes, Bloom Boutique. So that one goes with this one, I believe. Yes, so this is a sticker pack. Yeah, I still have more bits that I want to order as and when they come into stock, but I'm very pleased. And if you didn't see it in a previous video, these were the 3 mix and match ephemera packs. They go with that mix and match that I showed before, or they can be used with it. And then these were the gifts that I got from Stampin' Up. So Sunset Sparkle and Array of Dots. And then I got Bordered in Beauty. This was my pre-order that I was able to do. Bordered in Beauty with the matching dies. These were 2 free gifts. Sending Salutations, and this one. And then a paper pack that goes with, I can't remember what, and it's kind of stuck under everything, so I'm not going to get it out, but I did get another paper pack. So yeah, that's my order of stuff. Oh, and this is the other one, the Hybrid Ink, which is to replace Stays On and Memento. I was going to say, I've heard that people have had real struggles to get it open. Well, I've literally just taken that off, and it's, I don't know why people are having struggles. So you just, okay, I think maybe if you try and pull it, no, I don't know. Oh, well, but yeah, if you just open it as though it's got a hinge, yeah. But this is going to replace Stays On and Memento. It's a hybrid. It will work with both, and it works beautifully on Willow White, I think it's called. But yeah, oh, that alarm's going off. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. I have been making a bazillion templates, I think you would call them. I want to say there's 20. I'm looking to my left. 2, 4, 6, 8. No, I can't count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. There are 19 base products made prior to receiving all of this. So I'm excited to start sharing them on video with you. You may have seen that I have been bringing card blog posts back. Do go and check those out. I'm doing as much as I can when my energy levels allow. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.